Hi, good morning, all of you. So, what we discussed yesterday. So, how to create a lightning environment? How to create a lightning environment? As of now, if you don't have any Salesforce org, just you can go and create a new Salesforce org. Okay. So, once you created a new Salesforce org, so just how to do two things. One is the domain name, and second one is the namespace. Right. So, what is the namespace? And so we'll see about this namespace at the end of the training. Got it. So now don't provide any namespace. That is just an optional. So next comes to the domain. So you need to create a domain. This is the mandatory. This is the mandatory. Got it. So then, so yesterday we seen so what is the Lightning component bundle and Lightning application bundle. Got it. So in the Lightning component bundle we have 8 resources. The Lightning application we have 7 resources. Right. So we already seen about those resources. What was the functionality of these resources? You got it. So while you are creating a component, so where you want to use this component means what the configuration is what the configuration. So we discussed about a configuration also. We discussed about the configuration also. Now, so today is my second session. Today is our second session. Now let's see. So first what I'm doing, so we are going to see one use case. So what's that? Create a Lightning component. Create a Lightning component and check the output. Check the output in Lightning application. Got it? What we have to do? So first we need to create a Lightning component. First we need to create a Lightning component. And then after, if you want to see the output, what we have to do? Create a Lightning application. Lightning application. Got a point? So why? Because inside the component, so we don't have any preview option. Inside the component, we don't have any preview option. Got it? So chalo. So just you can log into your Salesforce org. See, I already logged into my Salesforce org. So then how to create a component? So go to a developer console. So go to a developer console. This is my developer console. Got it? So once you open the developer console, what you have to do? So how to create a component? Go to file, a new Lightning component. File, a new Lightning component. Got it? Just click on here, a Lightning component. So here you need to provide the name. Here you need to provide the name. So you know one thing. So as part of Lightning, see here, we are going to create the Lightning application, Lightning component, Lightning interface, Lightning event, and a Lightning token. Lightning token. Got it? So what I'm doing, so just whatever the component I'm creating, either it is a Lightning component. So just I'm giving name as the LC. LC is nothing but what? Lightning component. LA is nothing but what? Lightning application. LT is nothing but what? Lightning token. LE, Lightning event. Got it? Next, underscore. So inside my org, I have so lot of components is there, right? So I'm not getting any confused. Okay, so that's the reason. So what was the today date? So today date is 0708. 0708. Today date is what? 0708. So you can provide first date, then after month. So that's good. Got it? So 08 date and then after a month. Got it? Next, underscore. So first, what type of resource you are creating? Then after, just you can provide the date for identification purpose. And then after, what was the name of the component? What was the name of the component? Right? So here, I'm creating a sample. That's enough. I'm creating just a sample. Then click on here submit. Then click on here submit. See here, I created one component. I created one component. Got a point? Right. So now what I'm doing? So just here I'm providing some text. Hello. This is a Shiva. This is Shiva. Here I created my first Lightning component. Lightning component. Here I created my first Lightning component. See here, just I created one component. See here, we have here star mark. You know very well about why, because you already completed Apex programming and Visual Force programming, right? So while here we have star means, so this piece of code is not saved inside my data, right? So then what we have to do? So just we can go here file, we have a save. Otherwise, just click on here, Control S, Control S. See here, my program is saved. My program is saved. So what I did? So just I created a simple component. Just I created a simple component. Then I want to see the output. I want to see the output. If you want to see the output, what you have to do? You need to create a Lightning application. Am I right? You need to create a Lightning application. So then how to create the Lightning application? How to create the Lightning application? Go here, file, a new Lightning application. Select Lightning application. Got it? So here, so what type of component I am creating? That is a LA. LC is nothing but what? Lightning component. LA is nothing but what? Lightning application. Lightning application. Then click on here submit. Then click on here submit. See here. So here I created one component. Here I created a application. Next, what I have to do? I need to connect my component to my application. How? How can I connect? So what was the name here? LC underscore 0807 underscore sample. This is my name of the component. Got it? So just we can call like this. C colon. C colon. So what was the name of the component? LC underscore 0807 underscore sample. Done. Got it? So what was the component name here you provided? So don't provide CMP APP. Got it? Just the name. Don't provide the extensions. Got it? Fine? So LC underscore 0807 underscore sample. That's enough. Then click on here, Control S. Click on here, Control S, and in the application, we have a preview button. In the application, we have a preview button. So just click on that preview. Just click on that preview. See here. Hello, this is Shiva. So here I created my first Lightning component. Done. Got a fine. So with the help of application, I seen the output. With the help of application, I seen the application. Got it? Right. So in real time, we are doing like this? No. We'll come to that point. Got it? See how to create a component. So once again, I'm repeating. Go to File, click on here New, select the Lightning component. Select the Lightning component. Got it? So what type of Lightning resource you are creating? So just you can provide in shortcut LA, LC, LI, LE or LD. Then after underscore, provide the date. And then after, so what was the concept you are creating? What type of component you are creating? What type of application you are creating? For that, we have one name now, like a calculator. Got it? So like a table. So whatever the thing you can provide that, like buttons, like a page or card. Done. So just you can provide that concept name. Got it? So here, so what I did, I created my component. I created my component. See, this is my component, and so this is my application. This is my application. Everything is clear. There is no doubt on how to create a component How to create the application? How to check the output? How to check the output? Done. So next, come here the Salesforce. So just we can go to any one of the application. Just we can open any application. For example, go here, service. Click on accounts. Click on accounts. So open any one of the record. Open any one of the record. So when you open the record, see what are the things here we have. So here the object name. This will indicate the object name, and here what was the record name. Then some fields here. Then after the related record information, the detailed fields information. Here we have one more news option is there, and left side here I have a custom component, and at the bottom we have a activity and charter. Activity and the charter. Got it? So in the right side here we have some follow, contact, new case, new node. Follow, contact, new case, new node. Right? So today we are going to create this part. Today we are going to create this part. Create buttons. Create buttons. How to create these buttons? How to create these buttons? We'll see now. Now you can come here, developer console, go to file, a new lightning component. I'm creating a lightning component. File, new lightning component. Got it. So what was the name? What was the name here? We have to provide LC underscore 0807 underscore buttons. Now my component name is a buttons. My component name is a buttons. Got it. So then click on here, submit. Then click on here, submit. Now I'm creating a lightning button. I'm creating a lightning button, not a visual post page button, the lightning button. Right? In visual post page, you have to write apex colon command button. Command button. So, but here you need to write a lightning colon button. Lightning colon button. So, what was the name of this button? Label equals to submit. Label equals to submit. So just I created one simple button. Just I created a simple button. So that is a submit. Now just we can save it. Just we can save it. So now I want to see the output. How can I see the output? Obviously I need to create an application. Right. Chalo. Go here, file, new lightning application. LA submit. So next, see here, C colon LC underscore 0807 underscore buttons. 0807 underscore buttons. Save it. Here we have a preview option is there now. Click on that preview. Hey, what is this? Submit. I got submit. But so this button, it's look like see here, just you can zoom it. So this button look like the visual force page button, right? So here, this is my lightning button. I want this button. I don't want this. This is the visual force page button, yeah. This is the visual force page button. I don't want this button. Got it. So then how to create the lightning button? Simple. See, in the application, so just you have to call the Salesforce Lightning Design System. What's that? Salesforce Lightning Design System. Got it. So just you can type extends equals to extend equals to force colon SLDS. Force colon SLDS. Salesforce Lightning Design System. What is this SLDS? Salesforce Lightning Design System. We already seen in the demo. Got it? Now save it. Now click on here, update preview. See here. Now how it look like? The blue color. Right? A blue color submit. See here. The blue color. Now we created a lightning button. Now we created a lightning button. Got it? Right. So just you can go here, lightning design system. Lightning design system. Lightning design system. So here just type buttons. Just type buttons. See? So we have different types of buttons. See here, this is a normal button. So blue color like a brand. So outline brand, destructive button. So text to destructive button, success button. Success button. So what is this? These are the variants. These are the what? Different variants. Right? See here. So now I'm going to call those variants here. Got it. So here I created one simple button. Next, lightning colon button. Lightning colon button. Label equals to. Label equals to. Got it. So new contact. New contact. Label equals to new contact. So what was the variant? I want to show this one as a something brand, right? See here, brand blue color. Brand blue color. Got it. I want to show blue color button here, right? Variant. Variant. So variant equals to brand. Variant equals to brand. Okay. Save it. Go here, application. Update the preview. See, we applied any CSS here? No. Right? We didn't apply any CSS here. We didn't apply any CSS here. Got it? So with the help of a Lightning design system, so whatever you want, you can create it. Whatever you want, you can create it. Got a point? See here. So here, whenever I used a force colon SLDS, automatically what was the program you written? So that program will be converted to the Lightning program. Got it? Right? What was the button earlier we seen the visual force page button, automatically that will be converted to the Lightning button. Got it? Then after, so whenever we are using these type of variants, automatically system is provided a CSS. Got it? So now come here. So we can see some more buttons. For example, I want to cancel lightning colon button label. Label equals to what? Cancel. Label equals to what? Cancel. Variant. Variant equals to what's that? Destructive. DESTRUCTIV. Destructive. Check the spellings. Check the spellings. Done. Next. Lightning button. Label equals to. Got it. Exit. Variant equals to. Destructive text. Done. Next, lightning button. Label equals to save. Label equals to save. I want to show green color. Got it. Variant equals to variant equals to success. Variant equals to success. Now save it. Now save it. Go here. Click on update preview. Update preview. See here. Submit. New contact. Cancel. Exit. Save. How many lines of code we written? Single line. With the single line, we are getting this type of UI. Single line, I'm getting this type of UI. See here, one button to one button to another button. Here we have some space. One button to another button. Here we have some space. I want to remove the space. I want to remove the space. And one more point. So here, here we have an icon. See here, plus for the follow we have a icon. Right? I want to apply the icon for this submit. I want to apply icon for this submit. How can I apply? How can I apply? Got it? So now you can go here. Just you can type icons. See? Icons. So which one you want? I want a plus sign, right? So just you can find out icons. Go here. I want a black color, right? Click on here. See here we have an icon that is add. Under the utility icons, I have this add. So whatever the icon you want, you can call here. See, lot of icons is there. Icons is there. Got a point? So next, I want to show this icon to my button. So here, before the submit, I want to show plus sign. So how can I show that? Now, come here, developer console for the submit button, right? So next, icon name. See here, inside the Lightning. So whatever the functionalities you are writing, everything will be starts from the small letter. Got it? Let's see here, Lightning, L is small letter, Jura, A is small letter, component small letter, label. Got it? Variant, everything will be starts from small letter only. First word, small letter. Second one almost, you can use a capital letter. No problem. Got it? So icon name equals to under the utility. Got to find under the utility. Here, the utility also you need to provide a small letter. If you provide a capital letter, system not showing that logo. We'll see that. Got it? Under utility, colon, add. Under the utility, colon, add. Save it. Now you can go here. Click on update preview. See here. So you will get some space here. System showing this plus symbol? No. Because the utility, the U is capital letter. Right? Now come here. Just you can make it as a small letter. Save it. Update the preview. See? Now you got the difference? There is no error. Got it? So, but system not showing any output. Got it? So, in the Apex programming, so whenever writing like this, so in the bottom problem, system shows the error. But comes to the Lightning, system not showing any errors. Because the Lightning, we don't have any compiler. So then how can I check? Got it? For example, we written 100 lines of code, right? So where the issue will be happen. So how can I check? So don't worry, in the coming sessions, we'll see that. Got it? So now, so here, see, I provided buttons. So buttons with icons also. See here, in this button, so for the follow is okay. That's okay. Got it? So but here, the new contact case note. New case, new note. See here, these three buttons are touched together. Got it? So these three buttons are touched together. Got it? So new contact, a new case, a new node. So these three are touching one to one. So here follow and a new contact, there is a space, but so for these three buttons, so there is no space. There is no space. Then how can I create? Then how can I create? Now come here. What I'm doing? See here. We can use first one. Got it? Remove. So what I'm doing? Lightning button group. Lightning button group. See here. Lightning button group. So what are the buttons we are creating? Just I'm grouping. Simple. What are the buttons I'm creating? So just I'm grouping here. Got a point? So now here, so whatever the things you want, you can create. Lightning a button, a label equals to what's that? New contact, new case, new node. A new contact, lightning colon button, label equals to new case. Is it case? Yes. New case. Next. Lightning colon button, label equals to a new node. Done. Got it? Later. So what was the name of first button? So that is follow. Save it. Go to application. Click on update preview. See here. I got the same thing. It's touched one to one. Make it zoom. See. Now we got it. So it touched one to one. See here. New contact, new case, new node. So here background and this one is the same color. So that's why we are getting it. See here. For the follow and a new contact, we have some space. For the follow, so we provided the icon. Got it. So this button, there is no gap. Done. Right. So we created as it is. Hey Shiva, what about this one? Right. What about this one? So here we have a drop down. Got it. So here we have a drop down. I want to create the drop down also, right? Come here, go here. When I'm clicking on this, I'm getting these things. When I'm clicking on this, I'm getting these information. Copy. See? When I'm clicking on this drop down, I'm getting new opportunity. Change owner. Got it. So check for new data, submit for approval, edit, delete, sharing. So like that, so we got some options. Got a point. So now what we have to do? I want to create these things. Got it. So now, chalo. Now go to open a developer console. Now come here. See. So here we created an individual button. Here we created group buttons. Group. Next, so what I'm creating? Lightning button menu. What's that? Lightning button menu. See? Now come here. When I mouse over here, something is displayed. No, there is no mouse over. Okay. So basically, when I mouse over here, if something is displayed, na, like a setup for like a Salesforce helper. So here the guidance center, right? So these are the call was alternative text. What was what? Alternative text. Got it. So now come here. See here. So a button menu. So inside the button menu, what I'm doing? Lightning menu item. Lightning menu item. You can end this here itself. Lightning a menu item. Got it. So what was the label? Label equals to a new opportunity. New opportunity. Got it. So menu item label equals to what? A new opportunity. Next, what we have? Change owner. Change owner. Got it. Save it. Go here. See the output. You are getting the output or not? We'll check it. See here. When I'm clicking here, see new opportunity, change owner. New opportunity, change owner. Got it. So now go and create a rest of the values. So we need a perfect structure, right? Check for new data, submit for approval. What next? Check for a new data. Check for a new data. The next one is what? Submit for approval. Submit for approval. The next we have a edit. Next we have edit. So next we have a delete. Edit, delete. Then sharing. Sharing. Next one is what? So view account hierarchy. Was the last one? A view website. View website. Save it. Go and update the preview. Update the preview. See here. Icon with button. Group icons. Drop down. Done. Everything we created. So what we have here. Everything is done. See here. So it will be right side edge. So that's why it's opening like this. Got it. So we'll see that one also, right? So how can I move these buttons to the right side? So we'll see that one in the tomorrow session. Got it? So tomorrow means what? Monday. Tomorrow is Saturday, na? So, sorry, Sunday, na? There is no session. So in the Monday session, we'll see that. In the Monday session, we'll see that. Got it? See here. So we created as it is. We created as it is. Now, see here, in the component, in this buttons component, what we did, so I written the code, everything from here itself. Got it? So now let's see. So now what I am doing, right? I am creating. So this is for the button. Got it? This is for the what? Buttons. Now you can go here, file, a new lightning component, right? LC button group submit. button, group, submit, right? So what I'm doing is just I'm removing this from here and paste here. Got it? And paste here. Got it? Save it. Done. Next step. Go here, file, a new lightning component. I'll see this is what? Button, menu. Click on submit. Click on submit. So how many components I created? How many components I created? 3 components. See here. Save it. Save it. Now we can go here application. Just click on here update preview. See, now system showing only follow. So what about rest of the buttons? So how can I get that information? So I need to create one more application. For every component I need to create an application. For every component I need to create a application. No. Got it? Just give me 1 second. Yeah. So no need to create a separate a component here. Got it? So no need to create a separate application here. Now what I'm doing, see here. C colon LC underscore 0807 underscore what was the name? Button group. Button group. Done. Next, C colon LC underscore 0807 underscore. So button menu. Button menu. Save it. Got it? Reusability, right? I created here one component. Here I created one component. Here I created one component. Right? All together, I'm showing in a singular application, in a single page. Just click on here, update preview. Click on here, update preview. See here. Now I got the same thing. See here. Follow, new contact, case, notes, and drop down. Done. Got it? Right? So in a single application, so you can call a multiple component. In a single application, you can call multiple components. Got a point? Anyone having any doubt on this? Anyone having any doubt on this? Now, so today's homework is what? So you need to create this one, the top right. This is your assignment. You need to create this button. Got it? So you can go to Lightning Design System. We can go here, Lightning Design System, right? So we have all the buttons. We have all the icons. You will get one doubt. Shiva, you created so these buttons with the name. You created these buttons with the name, right? So, so you are giving like this. Yes, right. Now you can go here, Lightning Design System, and then you can find out the solution for that. Find out the solution for that. You got it? So how to create this one? Okay, I will tell you. Don't worry. Come here. So just you can go here, lightning component 1. So here I'm creating. Here I'm creating. Got it. So first of all, just I want to find out the icon. You can go here. So here we have one bell icon. So this is called what? Notifications. So what was the name here we have? That is a notification. Under the utility, we have a notification. Copy. Come here. See. Lightning, lightning, button, stateful. Button, stateful. Icon name equals to. What's that? Under the utility, right? Under the utility, what was the name? Notification. Notification. Got it. So when I mouse over here, I'm getting the name like a notification. So this is what? Alternative text. This is called the what? Alternative text. Alternative text. Alternative text equals to notifications. Notifications. Done. Save it. What happened? Icon name. And icon name is not available. ICON. Any spelling mistake? LIGHT lightning column a button here icon missing. Save it. Icon missing. So we created icon button. Icon button. What happened? Oh, so here also we need to provide a icon. Now save it. Now there is no error. Come here, click on update preview. See here, I got only icon. So when I mouse over here, see here notifications. See here notification. Got it. So as of now, what we did, just we created the buttons, the UI. So when I'm clicking on this new contact, nothing will be happen. When I'm clicking on this icon, nothing will be happen. When I'm clicking on this follow, nothing will be happen. Got it. So how can I apply the functionality? How can I write the controller? Right. So today, as of now, what we see, only the component, the UI part. So we didn't touch anything. So tomorrow we'll see, means the next session we'll see about the controller. Got it? So when I'm clicking on this button, when I'm clicking on here new contact, so what we have to do? So that will be defined by the controller. That will be defined by the controller. Got it? So we'll meet on next session. So we'll see the rest of it. Anyone having any doubt as of now? Next session is on Monday. So all of you please contact a consultant from the consultant for other information. Got it? So chalo. So we'll meet on Monday, same time. Have a nice day. Thank you. So meanwhile, if you have any doubts, so please note it. Right. So in the Monday, we'll discuss. Thank you. Have a nice weekend.